Good afternoon, team. In this video, I will brief you about managing information system week 2 discussion. The discussion consists of a POS system information system diagram. POS system means point of sale system, means like whatever the swipes, we make some kind of card swiping at stores, right? When we go visit a store and we purchase something and we pay money using our debit or credit cards. To make that, we need a point of sale system. The machine that is used for swiping is called point of sale system. Okay, so an image is given which is related to the point of sale system, and instruction is given here, that is identify the architecture for information system, propose potential structure improvements by listing components that are not necessary for the system, components that could be added, and any links to be added to eliminate between the remaining components. Basic thing. See, we have to improve this information system, so we can remove some devices or we can add some new features to ensure that the system is perfect. So let us start understanding what is a POS system. POS system is, as it was mentioned to you, when we visit some stores, when we are making payment for whatever the purchase we made, if we are trying to use card swiping kind of thing, the machine that is used is point of sale device, and the technique, the system, whole system we call, like when we make payment, it will go to some third party owner, and from there the money will be distributed to the banks of target. Money will be debited from your account and money will be sent to the vendor account. This is how the system works. Okay, so if you look at this system, there is a DSL, digital subscriber lines. This is the old one where data will be sent over digital lines, over a telephone line. Okay, digital data will be sent using telephone lines. Next we have a VPN router, which is virtual private network related router. These are used to ensure that secure connection is made between the systems can make secure connection with the internet servers using internet service provider. Next we have a switch. A store will be a very small local area network which will be connected to, which will contain servers, printers, and user systems, POS systems, and printers. Okay, so this is fine. Regarding the network structure, this is fine, and it's a replica of this one, so it is also fine. This is the main store where the server is present, and this is maybe branch where server is not there. So if this at this location, if it want to make some kind of transaction and maintain details, it will get connected to server by means of internet service provider. So then what kind of changes? So need not to delete any devices. Okay, everything is fine. Maybe we should upgrade this information system to make it more secure, to make it more performance, to receive more performance, and some additional things. First, let us deal with the internet speed. Digital subscriber lines are outdated versions. Mostly digital subscriber lines are not using at this in this current business environments. Mostly people are depending on fiber networks. So the network connection should be upgraded to ensure that high speed transactions will be made. If internet speed is slow, such networks will be prone to security attacks. It is very important that your network speed should be high. So the first recommendation that we can make is changing the internet connection. That helps definitely our organization to make better connections. Next, let us try to see the connections between different devices within the organization. We see that most of the connections are wired connections. Okay, at present, wireless connection is considered one of the best ways of connecting devices because it helps users to move their devices. For example, in the store, if they want to change the location of the billing counter, then the complete wiring system should be changed. If it is a wireless systems, if they are wireless systems, it helps. Okay, even POS devices, when we visit stores, if POS devices are wired devices, it is highly difficult for the person at the billing counter to give device to the customers. So it will be having a limited length of wire, and sometimes it won't reach the customers. So because of which customers and both organization people will also face difficult. If the POS device is a wireless device, it can be easily used. Okay, so the network consists of too many wired devices, or organization should prefer to use wireless devices also. So wireless connections should be established. That is second recommendation that we can make. Third recommendation, it is regarding backup. We can see that server backup is given. That's fine, and even it is good if the location B sub-branch contain a local server, and if that local server is also have a backup, it will definitely help, because see, it can store all the data into the local server, and local server whenever it having a good connection, it can send all the data to the main server. Okay, this is how it can be done, which is parallel, the server which will be parallelly connected to the main server. So including a local server can help organization to perform better. Next one is it is not visible, like antivirus or security related system implementation is not seen in this information system. So installation of antivirus and maintaining security of the information system can be suggested. In addition to that, rather than mentioning it as a antivirus, we can say installation of firewall to the network is very important in both their locations, location B and location B. For both locations, installation of firewall will also help organization to maintain better standards of information system. So I guess these are some best suggestions. If you identify any, you can add them too. Okay, the documentation requirement is 250 words. Hope this video helps you understanding the concept. Thank you very much, team. All the best.